Hello and welcome back to Newsroom Nigeria. This is where we give you hot, fresh, and sizzling news all day long. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so that you can be the first person to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Help us grow this channel by giving this video a massive thumbs up so that it gets recommended to other YouTube viewers all around the world as well. Lastly, please leave your opinions in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's delve right into the details of today's news. How Yahaya Bello tried to use Remi Tinubu to swear in justices of appeal courts against me, Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan. The senator-elect of Kogi Central Senatorial District, Barrister Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, has alleged that the governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, met with the First Lady, Senator Remi Tinubu, begging her to talk to justices of the appeal court in order to help turn the now-delivered judgment against her. According to Natasha, who appeared on Arise Television's news program, Newsnight, anchored by Ngozi Alaigo and Sulaiman Alide, says that though she wasn't very sure of the information, but it is alleged that Governor Yahaya Bello met with the First Lady, Her Excellency Remi Tinubu, and begged her to help talk to the justice, but the First Lady refused vehemently. According to her, the First Lady was said to have refused Yahaya Bello, saying that she wasn't happy with the number of women in the National Assembly and would want there to be more, so helping him to stop a woman from going into the Senate was out of place for her. Natasha thereafter appreciates the First Lady for standing up for what is right and doing what is right. You all, thank you very much for always listening. Let me have your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. Says the announcement by the appeal court that Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan won the election. Bello Yahaya has congratulated her after the whole back and forth that they have. Yahaya Bello even going as far as suing her for defamation. But now he has congratulated her, which Akpoti-Uduaghan hasn't acknowledged yet, but he has congratulated her. Before we go, guys, let's take a look at some of the reactions we got online. Joshua says, "Iron and action woman, I beg, you are too much, Jerry." Zaka Makoshi says, "Natasha, congratulations. You've done well for refusing his congratulations. I hope to be your PA." Fasasi Adebayo, Niger politicians, you are not sure, and you said it in public to get sympathy, or what, Senator? It is well. So this person is referring to how she said she wasn't sure, but yet she still divulged the information to the public. And I'm very happy, to be candid, that she did not accept the congratulation, because I know that the congratulation is not heartfelt at all. You not even reach anywhere. You not reach his stomach. So probably people around him just said, let's just congratulate her. Let's just congratulate her. Let's concede defeat. Let's just accept our fate and just, leave her alone. That was why he congratulated her. But we all know that congratulation is is not even heartfelt at all. So it doesn't even mean it. That doesn't mean that you will not go after her in future again. But anyway, we shall see what happens. Moving on, Michael Chukwudi says this lady won 2019 elections that we conducted, but evil Bello overturned our results overnight. I'm a witness. You see, Kogi politics is one of the worst in Nigeria, and on this very election day, Ekwensu Bello, went and dug a pit on the road that connects our local government and other local governments. Bello is pure evil. We all know how that story went down. Just a day to the election day, Oga Bello, he went as far as, digging pits, on the road that connects a village to other communities, just so that people are not going to be able to vote for her. And that even angered people the more. And people decided that come rain, come sunshine, we are still going to vote for this woman. If not for anything, let's just, consider what Bello have done to her so far. And that was how people still turned up and voted for her, even after all the victimization and everything that Yahaya Bello melted against her. Another person by the name Arigi Mohammed Sani says, this woman too they talk. Instead of her to keep quiet and tell us what you are going to do for us. Another person responded by saying, how do you expect her to keep quiet in the midst of evils perpetuated by the demonic Bello? Let's just accept that it is not easy. Nobody will experience all these things that she experienced at the hands of this man and still keep quiet. But since she has won, since she has been declared the winner by appeal courts, I just feel it's high time she just, have her peace. Gloria Jar says, what is the meaning of that? Who is Remi again? Politicians continue to make nonsense of this nation. Ifeanyi says, so it means that if a woman wasn't involved, Remi would have done the bidding of Yahaya Bello. Our response should have been, let the right thing be done, let justice take its course. We all know how this country is being run. This country in a banana republic, court order does not even mean anything again in this country because it can be manipulated. So I'm not surprised that Remi Tinubu said our only reason for not manipulating and trying to talk to the judges in charge of a court case was that she's a woman, and the number of women at the Senate is not as much as she would want. Imagine that. You all, thank you very much for always listening and watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel by now, what are you doing? Please go right to the subscribe button and click on it. Join this amazing community we have here. Leave your opinions in the comment section. Don't forget. I'll see you all in my next video.